You have the option to copy one lab or all labs from one course to another. You will need to have the teacher role in both courses in order to perform this operation. First, select Edit Labs at the top. There will be two options, Copy Lab or Copy Group. Copy Lab is for copying individual assignments, and Copy Group is for copying a group of assignments. We will select Copy Lab as an example. Under Select Course, you will be presented with a list of courses that you have a teacher role in. Pick a course and navigate to Select Lab, and that will present you with a list of labs that is in that specified course. Selecting Copy All Groups will copy all the lab groups from one class to another. This option will take a few minutes to be successfully completed.